If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey YouTube, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. In this video, we're going to install a tempered glass screen protector on this hot red Xiaomi Poco F1. If you're looking for an unboxing of this red beauty, I have it on my channel, linked in the description, will also pop up as a card on the top right. That being said, let's keep the phone aside for a moment. Have a look at the tempered glass I got myself from AliExpress. US dollars 1.50 for two of these screen protectors. And what do we have here? We have a tempered glass with some alcohol wipes and some dust pickup stickers. Now this tempered glass which I got is not having the black borders because I wanted something which is case friendly. So let me go ahead and align this screen protector on my phone, and then I will be back showing you how it goes. Alright YouTube, so I've lined up the screen protector with some masking tape. I left my screen on so that I could line it up properly, and as you can see, I think I did a good job lining it up. And at this point what we'll do is we'll go ahead and flip this guy over, and now we will go ahead and turn our phone off and give it a wipe down. So with the phone turned off, we can go ahead and start giving the phone a wipe down with the alcohol wipes which we got with the tempered glass. So we'll start with the wet guy over here. Once we're done with the wet guy, we'll go ahead and use the second one, which is the dry one. Alright, once this is done, we'll go ahead and use some of these dust stickers which we got. Go ahead and tap this guy real clean over here. This will pick up any dust particles which are out there and might have settled on the screen of your phone after the dry wipe. At this point what we'll do is we'll go ahead and peel off this guy which says over here back. Make sure when you're peeling it off you don't touch the inner side of the tempered glass screen protector. Once this is done, we'll just go ahead, let it fall and let gravity do its thing for us. There, as you can see, the tempered glass is now adhering to the screen of the phone. Wait for some time, and there. Let's go ahead and turn the phone on and just press down a little bit. Take off this masking tape. I use masking tape because it doesn't leave any residue, and we'll go ahead and see how this tempered glass screen protector performs. So the tempered glass has now been applied successfully. Let's go ahead and see how everything lines up. Lines up pretty good, I think, here at the bottom and over here on the top as well. I do not see any rainbow effect on the edges. There is enough space over here between the edge of the screen and the edge of the body. So the screen protector lines up pretty well and no rainbow effect. So far so good. Let's go ahead and open the browser. Now that we have opened the browser, let's go ahead and check the touch sensitivity to see if we have any issues. So oops, I don't see any touch sensitivity issues over here. Everything seems good and perfectly fine. No part of the display is being cut out or anything over here. So what are my final thoughts on this screen protector? Well, I got a pair of these tempered glass screen protectors from AliExpress for US dollars 1.50, and I think it is well worth the investment. So I will go ahead, leave a link to the product in the description of the video. If you feel like ordering it, go for it. And that's it for this video. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.